Hi, I'm Susie from the Land O'Lakes Culinary Center, here to talk about a common challenge with cheese sauce: breakage. A broken cheese sauce will have gritty or even lumpy appearance. One of the great things about our shelf-stable cheese sauces is the ease with which they take on different flavor profiles. For instance, using our white sauce, you can stir in one additional ingredient, like buffalo-style hot sauce, marinara sauce, or your favorite hot pepper sauce, to add menu variety while maintaining minimal SKUs. But acid and dairy in the wrong ratios can yield a broken sauce. So why does breakage happen, and how can you avoid it in your kitchen? Let's take a look. Acidic ingredients can denature or cook the dairy proteins, and if the ratios are too high, your sauce will curdle because the dairy proteins are binding together and separating from water. Let's look at some ideal ratios using cheese sauce and acidic ingredients. It's important to note the level of acidity in a sauce can vary by brand. So even though a recipe may say 4 cups of cheese sauce to 1 cup marinara, the brand of marinara you used may be more acidic than the one that was used to develop the recipe. And maybe a 6-to-1 ratio is a better fit. In some instances, a vigorous stir can help to reincorporate the curdles and smooth out the sauce. But if your ratios are too high, the sauce will remain broken. If you have a prepared cheese sauce that can handle high levels of acid without breaking, you might want to check the ingredient label for extensive stabilizers. Also, it likely will not be suitable as a meat alternate. Our shelf-stable cheese sauce has quality dairy ingredients and is 1 meat alternate per 3-ounce serving. Furthermore, the ingredient list is short in comparison to other popular K-12 cheese sauces. So remember, pay attention to the acidity of your ingredients and adjust ratios accordingly. If initial breakage happens, stir vigorously to reincorporate. Other factors to be mindful of are intense heat and long hold times at high temperatures, so be aware of those factors as well. We want to make sure that you get the most out of your delicious cheese sauce. Our shelf-stable cheese sauce line is great on its own, but it is exceptional when used in recipe applications. Bring your customization station back to life with pops of flavor from simple stir-ins in the right ratios. For more recipes and resources, visit our website, Facebook page, or YouTube channel.